Okay, I'm at the area where the distribution block was for the brake lines. The upper line goes to the passenger side. You can see where it starts over to the passenger side there. The lower line comes over to the driver's side. Ends here where the rubber hose begins. There are some half inch clamps that hold it on. There's one right near where the dog leg in the frame is, one right near where the front line for the driver's side goes over towards the rubber hose, one underneath the connector for the spreader bar below the A-frame mounting bar, one in the front of the cross member right in front of the lower control arm mounting, one right in the center of the cross member, one by the other lower A-frame mounting, another one right under the center of the upper A-frame, right underneath the spreader bar. And that's it. The next place it's connected to over here is the rubber hose that goes to the brake caliper. So I'm going to take all those off, and I will take the spreader bar off as well. Since that's an aftermarket thing, I believe these are 5/8 inch bolts. I'll just take the bolt off, push the nut on through, and the spreader bar will be out. Going with the how hard is it to replace it once the body's on, it makes it a no-brainer decision to replace these, because I could have gotten them off with vice grips, but if I ever had to replace them again, it would have been a big problem. So I think I'm doing the right thing by replacing them. And because they were frozen on there, the easy way to get them is to just cut that off and get the 6-point socket on them and take it off. And then again, remember there's a clip holding the brake line in. So there'll be a screwdriver, a trusty dead blow hammer. We'll knock that off, and that line will be disconnected except for the caliper.